Well, hello kids. Today we are learning this sound ch, ch, ch. It is a blend and it is necessary when it comes to your absolutely wonderful reading. So if you want to learn how to read well, knowing your blends is one of the key elements to being a great reader. Today we are focusing on CH, the two letters CH. Those two letters make the sound ch, ch, ch. Can you say that with me? Ch, ch, ch. Let's do that again. Ch, ch, ch. Okay, so C and H, when you put them together, it makes the ch sound. We are going to look at words that begin with the ch sound. Then we are going to look at words or read words that end with the ch sound. So let's first look at the words on the first line. Let's start with air. Chair. That word is chair. It begins with ch. The next word is ace, chase. That word is chase. It begins with ch. The next word is ip, chip. It begins with ch. The last word on this line is ooh, chew. It begins with ch. Now let's just say the highlighted sounds again together because that's really what we're focusing on, because some of you might be watching this and you may not know how to read yet. So all we're really focusing on is the highlighted sound. Let's say it together. Ch, 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 ch. Good job. Now let's look at our second line. The second line has words that also begin with ch, ch. Let's begin with our first word on the second line. Uck, chuck. It begins with ch. Our next word is imp. The word is chimp, and it too begins with ch. The next word is ease, cheese, and it begins with ch. And the last word on this line is ill, chill. It begins with ch. So right now we have learned 8 words that begin with the ch sound. There are many more. I am not using pictures because I only want your eyes to focus on that CH. Sometimes when you have a picture and the word inside of the picture, you are distracted by what's around the word. I don't teach like that right now. This is a directed lesson where we want our eyes only to look at the CH. So let's go ahead and say those CH sound, the highlighted yellow box for the second line. Here we go. Ch, 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 ch. And again. Ch, 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 ch. Okay? So let's say all of our words together. Okay, I'm sorry, all of our sounds together, not the words. Get ready. Ch, 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 ch. Now I will say all of the words for you. If you know how to read at this level, then you can read them with me. Get ready. Chair, chase, chimp, chew, chuck, chimp, cheese, chill. You can read them with me again so you can understand what words do start with ch. Get ready. Chair, chase, chimp, chip, chew, chuck, chimp, cheese, chill. Now we are going to look at words that end with CH. So we're still going to begin by looking at the highlighted box and saying that sound. Get ready. Ch, 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 ch. Now the words end with ch. Some words begin with ch, but some words end with ch. Which, punch, lunch, ranch. So let me go ahead and break that down for you. Which, the word is which. That ends with ch. The next word is punch, ch. That word is punch. It ends with ch. The next word is lunch, lunch. It ends with ch. And the last word is ranch. That word is ranch. It ends with ch. Which, punch, lunch, ranch. You have just learned the ch sound. Whenever you see a C and an H together, you say ch, ch. Thank you, and I can't wait to learn our next blend together. Goodbye.